everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and today's video is going to be on these cute and easy hairstyles for when you don't know what to do with your hair. These are super simple and mostly accessory focused, so if you want to see how I did it, then just keep watching. Start by brushing your hair. Next, I'm using heat protectant. For this first hairstyle, I'm starting by twisting the hair away from my face and then braiding halfway down. You can definitely braid all the way down, but I think leaving some of the wavy texture at the end is cute. For style number 2, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. You can use whatever color hairband you want, but I think using a different color hairband adds personality to the look. I'm working with second day hair and sometimes it looks flatter because of product, so style number 3 and 4 are my go-to when my hair is looking a little too flat to revive. All you need are some different colored bobby pins. It takes like a minute to do and you're ready.
Baby, I tell you no reason 이젠 우리가 눈을 마주치는 것도 이유 없다는 걸 알아 시간 없다는 걸 알아 그렇다면 고르지. I'm gonna change up my part for this next style. I usually don't like low ponies, but this look is so effortlessly cute, perfect for lazy days.
I think that all day 난 원래 꼬집고대로 내 속마음을 표현해 그니까 말할게 오늘 우리 집에 올래. 언제나 날 바라볼 땐 웃어주는 네가 있어서 다행이야 다행이야 I just wanna stay with you babe.
You can also just leave the low pony out and do the side part with your hair down for a princessy look. I used to do this hairstyle a lot when I did Instagram lives back in Florida. With this, you can barely tell these are second day waves, especially after recurling the front pieces.
다신 돌아오지 않을 걸 알기에 더 소중한 지금 나와 같은 생각을 하고 있다면 아무 말 하지 말고 내게 안겨 만약 내가 바빠서
I'm taking half of my hair and putting it into a high pony.
열심히 꾸민 다른 애들과는 수준이 달라
And then I'm just gonna clip that extra strand to the side. This style makes your hair look super long and voluminous since there's an extra layer of hair below. And for the last style, I'm leaving that front piece of hair out and adding alternating colored hairpins to the top, which makes for a really cute accent. And that's it! What's your favorite style? Leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe as well. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video.
언제나 날 바라볼 땐 웃어주는 네가 있어서 다행이야